Silence is not emptiness in leadership, but a deliberate tool that increases presence and clarity in moments that matter. Satya Nadella at Microsoft modeled listening as strategy, pausing in town halls to let ideas sink in and invite quieter voices. Angela Merkel used measured pauses in high-stakes negotiations, shaping tempo and drawing out precise concessions. Aspiring leaders can practice by drafting questions first, then pausing before replying, and inviting reflection in meetings. When pauses become habit, decisions sharpen, teams feel trusted, and a leader's influence quietly grows.